Thanks for stopping by to check out this video. I'm going to be showing you 3 new AI tools that are fun to use and can save time and could help you make money if you chose to use them. So I've listed the 3 tools here that I'll be discussing and showing in this video. One of them is called Quest.ai, and I've listed the URLs on the screen. Quest.ai is one of the easiest ways to build React applications. It generates React code from your design and from Figma. It's clean, extendable code, just like if you were to hand code it yourself. Can be production ready, and you can push to your repository and launch it. I've been experimenting with it a little and will be making more videos in the future about it. I will do a quick walkthrough of its capabilities. The next tool is called Storybird.AI. It's a storytelling tool, and I'll show a story that I generated with it and show you how to go about doing that. It improves storytelling through the human and AI collaboration, and it generates images also, and you can publish it to like Amazon and monetize it. I haven't done that yet, but I am looking into it. It sounds really interesting. It helps you generate, edit, publish, and monetize your stories using AI. And the last of the 3 tools is called Videotap.com, or just Videotap. It turns your videos into endless content. So if you're a content creator, you can turn the AI loose on it, and it repurposes your videos that you've already made. It's like having a team of content creators chopping up your videos, and you get 3 videos for free according to their website. So that's what we're going to take a look at in this video. If you're interested, stay around. I'll walk you through it. Otherwise, you can jump to the links I showed there in the diagram. So here's the first website, Quest.ai, the easiest way to build React applications. We can take a quick look at the pricing. So there is a free plan, and they have monthly and annual plans to purchase. $0 gets you a place to build your personal projects. You get 20 components, 1 workspace, 1 app, and 3 team members. And then you can see the other prices as you go up the scale. And below there, they show a lot of the differences between the 4 different plans. And the use cases they mention here for startups, for agencies, and for Web3. So let's scroll down the front page here and see what it tells us. Right here, Generation 3, no code, let AI do the heavy lifting for you. Their AI models generate useful code. It incorporates all the things professional developers care about. Use their chat prompt to modify styling, write business logic, and connect to your back end. And here's a picture here that shows some of the different things going on. The separation of concerns for repeat iterations, state management and animations, clean code extendable with custom business logic, GitHub integration for team collaboration, chat prompt powered by ChatGPT, and I believe it's using 3.5 right now, design system components, backend hooks generated, and responsive layouts automatically. I mean, those are really awesome things. Convert your design into code. If you use Figma, you can go from Figma to code to your GitHub repository. Bring in your custom designs. The Quest generates components incorporating your design systems and component libraries. Preview your app and push to your GitHub and launch when ready. So here they're showing a sample of the code that it generates, And if you want to open it in a sandbox, you can do that to check it out. And you can scroll down here and see it's quite a lot of code they generated. Your styled components. And you can click through the files here to see the other code that it generated. It's production ready, made for developers. Quest was built with developers in mind. It automates the tedious parts of building an app, yet gives you full control so you can build whatever you want. Tools like this, infused with AI and all the other amazing things that it can do, really speed up the development cycle, and you're able to build new applications much more rapidly than in the past. It's exciting to see new technology come on the scene like this. Here we can see some stats: 60 million lines of code generated, 412,000 projects built, 43,100 plugin installs. Here they have 1,000 plus templates and components, structured design templates that will jumpstart your app. Use the MUI based components that automatically convert to working React code. Get responsive custom auto layout components set up with breakpoints so you can get the kit or see samples. So as you can see, there's a lot of really great features. If we pop over to the features page for a moment, and then we'll move on to the next tool. Sync your Figma designs, design as you do, and export to Quest using their Figma plugin. GitHub Sync, push generated code to your GitHub repository. Push single components or your entire app, which will smartly merge changes. Instant preview of your component coded up. Preview mode to battle test and see it working as if you built your app. Responsiveness built in, scale up or down your components exactly as you want, or change layouts based on screen sizes without writing any code. Animations at your fingertips. Animate everything by choosing individual layers to animate, or smartly animate between variants from your Figma file. Separation of concerns. Presentation code components separated from your business logic so you can update your designs as frequently as you want. Export code as you want. Export your entire app structure, not just your components. Sync and merge. Next.js support out of the box, which is awesome. Next.js is a great tool. And also Vercel.com, which I've mentioned in some of my other videos for deploying your code and applications like this. So the page goes on. This is just a really great tool. If you haven't seen it before, give it a look. I'm going to be experimenting with it more, and more than likely make some other videos using it. So let's go on to the next component or website here. So here I pulled up the chart again that I made in Excalibur, which I have talked about that in other videos. It's a really awesome tool. So the next one we're going to take a look at is Storybird.AI. And I have that pulled up here. If we go to the home page, we can see here improve storytelling through human and AI collaboration. Now I already used it once to write a story, so let's go to that and take a look, and then we'll go see some of the basic FAQs that they mention. So I typed in a prompt on the home page here, so you can click begin my story, and it asks you for a prompt. And if you don't know, you can go to their guide on how to write effective prompts for AI story generation, and so you can do that and then click submit, and it will generate a story like I did here. So here is the story title. Two unlikely companions must rely on each other to survive on an alien planet for 2 years. And they called it Lost in the Unknown, a story by Storybird. and you can change the voice to some different voices there. And then we can go down here and we can see the first and second pages, the vibrant colors of the alien sky shimmered above as a human named Jack and his alien companion Zorg tried to make sense of their predicament. Their spacecraft had crashed on this unknown planet 2 years ago. And we can see a picture that it generated. And then we can click on next page. Jack and Zorg had quickly realized that they had to rely on each other to survive. They learned to communicate using a combination of hand gestures and drawings. So I won't go through the book anymore, but then you have a button down here to edit the complete story. And then they have these book actions here: publish on Amazon, download a PDF, edit your story, or create your story, or here to claim your story. Now let's go back to the home page and go to the FAQ so we can read a little bit more about it. Publishing on Amazon. How do I publish a book to Amazon? Start by creating a story. The story you produce will have a Publish to Amazon button beside it. Click that button to initiate the process of publishing a book to Amazon. Why do I have to edit my books before publishing them? They take a strong anti-spam approach, and they only allow users to publish books that have substantial human contributions. The US Copyright Office has also issued guidance that AI-driven books may not be copyrightable unless they have substantial human input. How much does it cost to publish books on Amazon? Well, you can see there on the screen what they're explaining for the costs. And how can you make money publishing books to Amazon? Authors earn 70% of the non-Amazon revenue for books sold. This works out to $3.50 per book sold on Amazon. Storybird.AI pays these royalties to authors the month after the book is sold. Who owns the copyright to stories created on Storybird.AI? Stories created by AI alone without human editing may be ineligible for copyright protection. Storybird.AI users who edit their stories significantly own the copyright to these stories. So then you can go on to read a little bit more here. It's a platform that helps you generate, edit, publish, monetize, and enjoy stories using AI. Do you need to learn how to write prompts? No, you don't. Their platform is user-friendly and intuitive. However, for optimized results, they recommend going through their prompts guide page. Is it free to use? Absolutely. For new users, they provide a few tokens to help you explore and get started. If you find yourself captivated by the platform, you can always opt to refill your tokens and unlock more features. Is there a subscription fee? No. Storybird.AI operates on a token-based commercialization system. Users pay for tokens, which can be used to access various features. Tokens come with a 1-year expiration from the date of purchase and are a one-time purchase with no recurring charges. And they have a contact us form on their website. So I think this is another amazing use of artificial intelligence, and it sounds to me, if you enjoy writing things, or maybe you haven't before but you want to try, this will be a great way to get started, and maybe you can make money, or maybe a lot, who knows, by using a tool like this. So that's the second tool. Let's go on to the last tool for this video. So as I showed on my diagram here, Videotap.com, it turns your videos into endless content. Use AI to repurpose the videos you've already made. It's like having a team of content creators chopping up your videos. So let's take a look at that tool. Videotap.com. Turn your videos into endless content. Use the AI to repurpose the videos you've already made. It says here you can get started with free videos for free. Looks like they've had 3,718 creators have repurposed 8,294 videos. I'm sure that number is going to go up fast once people find out about this tool. Viral clips, perfect to share on X, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and more. Articles, videos are all the rage, but articles are still the best way to get found on Google, according to them. Type in a summary, a recap, and make a blog post. Get transcripts, subtitles, YouTube things, everything needed to help your YouTube SEO, a description, chapters, tags. Turn videos turned into tweets, Videotap. And looks like maybe translations into different languages. Here's an example. Learn how PlanetScale turned their 64 video MySQL course into a written course. So that would be pretty interesting. They explain how it works here. Add your videos from YouTube or just upload them. AI generates your content and then you publish it to your social media site and more. If you're already making videos, whether for work or fun, this may help you create more content for other platforms and save you a ton of time using artificial intelligence. Videos turned into blog posts. You get more SEO traffic. If you don't have written content, you're leaving traffic on the table. Don't hire writers, or maybe they're using it to help. Writers cost hundreds per post, maybe. Get blog posts for less than $20. More ways to consume content. Some people like to watch, some people like to read when they can't listen, like at work or in a meeting. And so they just go through some of the other options here. Videos turned into tweets, videos turned into chapters, videos turned into summaries and descriptions, into subtitles, videos turned into transcripts. Get a whole suite of content. Now let's take a quick look at the price. When I initially looked at it, it seems a little bit expensive, but again, it depends on how much you're going to be using it and what you're going to be using it for. So a creator is $25 a month, 100 minutes every month, 10 social media clips, 10 translations, and you can start for free. A crew gets you 400 minutes, 40 social media clips, and 40 translations, and you can add team members. That looks to be their most popular. All plans include unlimited summaries, unlimited blog posts, unlimited chapters, unlimited tags, unlimited tweets, subtitles, and transcripts. And there's some testimonials. Looks like they're saying it makes it a lot easier, a lot faster, new features arriving daily, takes hours of work off their plate, and there's a list of languages that they support currently, and they're working on more. How quickly can it turn my videos into content? Typically their system can generate content within a few minutes of uploading your video. It may vary depending on the length and complexity of the video. So there you go. I just thought I would point out another really interesting tool that could help you save time and make money depending on what you would be using it for. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm always looking for new and cool technology that can transform your life and transform your work.
If you like this channel, please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when I post new content.